Welcome back to another video. Today we are putting back the 300ZX.
Are you ain't good or what, my guy?
Every video we're putting back to the 300Z.
Chill. Yeah, so we're gonna all the wires should be back on. It gets power.
Yeah.
Gotta focus on the alternator right now. I unplugged two things. He's gonna do the fan shroud on the radiator. On the exhaust, we can put. I bought that fucking little fiber wrap shit.
What's over
The
there?
AutoZone specials. About to cover those little holes over there. And then I hope it doesn't take too long. I bought the fluids, some coolant, some oil, filter. Yeah. Should be simple today.
Hard to wrap, you know?
Not that hard. Alright, so while he's doing that, I got the two plugs on the alternator. That little ground piece right there, and then the main plug. I'm gonna do that. He's doing that. And he's gonna be doing the AutoZone special over there. Hey, sand it down first. Did it come with that little sandpaper shit?
I don't know, I didn't look. I haven't looked yet.
Yep. Alright, so it's getting a little hot, but we out here. Got the alternator plugged in. The what's that power steering pump that doesn't work plugged in. The fan shroud. All we need is the radiator
The liquids.
and all the fluids and the exhaust, which is
Yeah, we're gonna
chilling over there. But
Stop the ice cream, man.
and this shit, I relocated it. Zip tie warrior. Got this. Probably just tuck it in right there somewhere.
Want something?
Look at that. I have this shit right here. Look at these screws. Oh fuck yeah! Satisfied as little kids. Fuck a bitch. All right, so after they got the little schmackaroonies, they're gonna put that in. Got the radiator and fan shroud. All we need is the hoses for this side. The coolant, which I have right here. AutoZone specials. And then
about those dog.
the AutoZone specials. Say, good looking out.
All done.
Wow, look at that. Clean. Hey, you still miss, bitch. Alright, so we're connecting these hoses and then relocated the PTU over there. I'm gonna zip tie it. Fuck it, zip tie warrior that shit. I think that's it for this side. We just need all the liquids and the exhaust, which is still sitting over there with that fucking fiber wrap bullshit. Fuck it.
Say fiber whack.
Fiber wrap.
Oh, fiber whack.
Fuck a bitch.
You're whack.
Sitting over there with the AutoZone specials. Sick ass fucking Zoom. Shit.
Hey, sick ass fucking. We should get, what's it called?
Bitch, y'all know what the fuck you're talking about?
When they bite, when you get free stuff from, like, Auto. Sponsor. We should get sponsored by
Fuck
sponsors.
no. Change the
Should be tight.
oil. That shit. Yeah, almost done. Alright, while I'm out here sweating balls, these dudes over here not doing the damn thing. So I got the intakes in, both sides. Now we're just gonna put the coolant and the oil. I'm gonna see if the exhaust they're hardened up yet. There we go. I don't know, man. They feel funky. We keep on waiting on that. So for now, we're just gonna put the oil, change the oil filter, coolant, and fire her up. Right?
Yeah.
Doesn't know what's going on.
Yeah.
Coolant. No fun, no. Sick. All that shit. Hope we get no leaks, TBH. Little worried. You worried?
No.
Sick ass food. Fill her up, gas station, man.
Still drinking that bullshit ass water?
Guess who pulled through? Sick ass food. Put through Gatorades.
How'd you know Ralphie wanted
Mad
Gatorade?
cute. My dad's a painter over there. Oh, foot. Nosy ass fool, that guy. I was looking at the spick over there fucking painting.
What?
I was looking at that fool over there painting.
He's painting?
He was looking at you when you came. What's up, Papa? No?
Oh, what? Hey, what's up?
Yo,
You guys got funny ones? Oh, shit.
it's stale. Hey, your chips are still right there. Look, your Pringles, doggy.
The shits are open.
No, they're not.
Oh, they're not.
Oh, they
looks,
are,
bro.
but they are, but they should be good.
Take care of them for me, man.
Yeah, sick ass food. Yeah, I'm gonna cut the oil filter. Fool's already putting in more work than fucking this fool Raptonio and shit. No fun though. Looking scared. Oh, look. First try Fridays.
Saturday, though.
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
Oh,
I thought it was Sunday.
Me too.
Ralphie they be on the sequence.
This whole gallon? Hey, fool, don't move the car. The fuck?
You guys are clowns. Sick ass food. Alright, so I can start it up. Man, he threw the whole thing in there. Fuck it. About eat. Sick ass food.
Casserole, bro. Sponsor me. I'm out.
Alright. First attempt. Why is it not starting? This wire right here.
Not plugged in?
It's not plugged in. Where's it at? The wire for this one.
Found it.
Hey, so much food.
Alright, you want some dick, little bitch? Hey, mama, you want a fucking cactus or what? Fuck stick?
Can't use your place because you're getting me the
Who gives a fuck? You can put this shit in for like 15 seconds. Fuck stick.
been past 15 seconds. Fuck stick.
Alright, so we tried to start it like 3 times, twice. And the PTU, this shit's getting hot. I don't know if there was a ground somewhere that we missed or whatever. There's ground over there. This shit ripped, but it's nothing. That shit's getting hot. Problem number 1. Red gas.
The exhaust thing, or that tape, maybe. Exhaust or oil.
And not enough water again?
Probably not enough water, but we gotta bolt on the exhaust and then it has water. See how it sounds after that, and then
Ready to go.
Oh, sick ass
do a
cameraman.
fucking burnout and shit. I told this fellas to do a burnout in his driveway.
I felt the engine in my stomach.
That's probably good or what?
Hey,
I am.
you high, buddy?
Sick.
Oh yeah, I was laid out.
We were wondering why you ain't coming out, fuck stick.
I didn't even feel like getting up.
Are you feeling it yet? You feeling it?
Damn.
Damn, what you give him?
I don't know what I gave him. Maybe it's not even working. It was a false tab.
Let me find out you got false tags and shit. Well, you probably did, honey. I told you to let me.
All right, so now what we're gonna do? Put on the front support bar, and then I'm gonna start putting in the exhaust. See if this held up or not, cause I have some holes right here, but I doubt it. It's fine, whatever. Hell yeah, sick. Oh, zoomed in. Sick. We need one more exhaust bolt. You can't even see it. Ready, guys? These are fucking each other. Sick. Sick gas fools. You got it? Sick gas. Oh, look. Alright, so we got the car down on jack stands. It's having trouble idling, but it's on. I haven't put test drove it yet. That's probably gonna have to wait. Power steering is plugged. You can hear the power steering. What's that whistle from? Probably power steering. Oh fuck! Put some new kicks in the back. Exhaust leak fucking doesn't sound that bad. But yeah, we're not gonna test drive it today. I want to, but lights work. All that shit works except the oil pressure. Where you guys going? Oh, that's gonna end it for us today, I guess. So peace out. Peace out. Yeah. If anyone knows what that could be, something not plugged right or whatever, let us know. See, give it gas, Sophie. Here's the power steering. It drops idle. There's a leak somewhere. Yeah, you can hear the power steering pump. Yeah, but that we could figure out probably today. I don't know. Not healthy. Yeah, so that's it. Stand it for us. Adios.
Adios.